ngithathe lesikhathi lesi ngivusele bonke lapho batawuba nelithuba kulalela la ngomsakazo waka YouTube. Ngiyabavusela egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu. Moya wami weneme bekade ngibukela channel 179 travel. It's one of my favorite channels, this one. Mangirelaxile la khona archaeologists were excavating the history of Jesus Christ. Bebaka Israel trying to trace back, but bufakazi ukuthi betindzawo lapho Jesu atalelwa khona. They were in Bethlehem, they were in Nazareth. What a beautiful thing nje ukuthi we are serving a living God. Lokune evidence nekuthi this is where he existed. Ngiyethemba kuyavakala. Ngendluleke lapho ngibuye ngithi sitawukhuluma indaba lebalekile namuhla lapho khona sithi it is time or the time is now to end the unrest. Mangikhuluma nge-unrest ngikhuluma ngale political unrest. The time is now. We are tired. All we need now is to stop the war. Ngiyethemba kuyavakala. Ngiloko nje lesabe sikhuluma nyalo. All we need is to stop the unrest. We want peace back. Sesikhathele kulala benyoni, sesikhathele kwehla, sesifuna kuthula. Akube nekuthula emaSwatini. Ngidomemetela lokho nje, ngidomemetela nje kuthula eSwatini. Ngiyethemba kuyavakala. Kulento letimbadlwana ke lefuna sikhulume ke letaweni la kusilokuthula lokho kube khona. Ngiyacala ngikubonga emaSwati kungipha indlebe angilalele. Uyathi mine ngiyabonga lo emaSwati ayangilalela kakhulu futhi ayangithanda emaSwati lamanyenti. Nalawa lambalwa la ngizonda kumlawuveta athi ngizondelana. Lamanyenti akangizonde ngoba ngimuntu lokabi noma kanjani, but azonda le capability yami, azonda lolubito lengibitwe lona, azonda lengathi imlo yaSimakathe, azonda lo msebenzi waSimakathe, azonda le enability yami yekwenta into lebangadi khona labanye kudenda ngikolo lebakuzondako kahle kahle, not necessarily ukuthi bazonda mina personally. Ngiyethemba kuyavakala. So ngicela ke lokho ukuthi abantu babeke phasi ema differences, bayekele kuzonda umsebenzi waSimakathe. Angidibitanga ngabitwa nguSimakathe, kufanele ngende kwaSimakathe. Wangichuza ngoba abona the man behind me, how powerful the spiritual one is. That is why God select me amongst the chosen one. Ngiyethemba kuyavakala. Ngibuye futhi lapho ke ngithi ngisekubongela emaSwati uthi ngiyabonga lo emaSwati anendlebe ayeva. Ngiko ngithi mina lo msindo waseSwatini umncane kakhulu, ngumsindo lona lodzinga nje ukuthi ku-assemblishwe just for 1 hour, kuthathwe isinqumo ube sowuphelile futhi kanjalo kuqale ku-implementwe tintfo. Umsindo ube sowuphelile kanjalo because akusiwo umsindo lo ngasotheki. Nikhumbule nabo bukhosi baseSwatini abakhiwa ngumndeni wakaDlamini noma ke ngilesive samalangeni wakhiwa tibongo letinyendi kakhulu, but angifakazelana nabo kuloko lengikhuluma tinyendi letibongo letakha lo bukhosi baseSwatini. Akusiso nje isibongo sakaDlamini kuphela, kuyavakala. Lokho kusenda lokho ukuthi naloyo lo bukhosi bakaseSwatini bufana nani nesivivane. Naloyo uphosile litshe esivivaneni kwaphuma lo bukhosi. Kusho ukuthini ke lokho? Kusho ukuthi thina siyinvo yinye, sisive sinye, sibantwana bemfati munye noma ke sibantwana bendvodza yinye. Kuyavakala lokho ke kusenda lokho ukuthi sibonakale njengebantu labangakafanele ukuthi ngabe siyalwa sodvwana, because in actual fact noma ngathiwa mina ngokaDlamini ngilwa nemuntu wakulesinye sibongo, maybe Mathebula, maybe Gama noma ngokani, somehow somewhere we are one, siyahlangana. Kuyavakala. So asifani thina letinye tive, we are too unique. Sisive semaSwati, we are too unique. We are just one nation. Ngiyethemba kuyavakala. Not just one nation but one family. Kuyavakala. So ngalamagama lawa ngitothi nje bekunene asesibuke lokho ukuthi yini ke lele singayenda nyalo kuze sireach leli goal lethu ukuthi sibuyisele back ikuthula. Ngiyaqala ningivumele baSwati ukuthi sengishitsho ngathi ngiyabonga lokuthi labanyeni bayangilalela. Uyathi mina labanye abantu bathi Prophet wena because labanye they misinterpret me, labanye baye bathi mhlawumbe hayi wena uyasijikela sathi sihamba nawe siqala uyasupporta wasijikela angijikeli umuntu ngimile eqinisweni. Now let me bring something why kuthatha isikhathi lokuthi into leti njengaleti ibonakale. Inkinga lekhona, let me speak about myself. Ngithena ngiveta leliqiniso laSimakade. Kwaba nalabanye labahlakaniphile abacanga bahlakaniphile balibona leliqiniso ukuthi yathi this man is sent by God. This man is a prophet, is sent by God. Baba jealous. Then they started forming secret groups to attack me, to derail me. Ngiyethemba kevakala baqala kungi-attack labantu kwabita kwenda ukuthi lendlela yami ingabe isahambe kahle, lendlela yami ibe nebulukhuni ibe nelidzaka ishelele. Kubidele ukuthi ngithi nangikhuluma lelive laSimakade ngethula siprofetho ngethula sembulo ngethula livi ngihle ngijika ngiguquka ngibuke emva ngishana titinja because bavuka labantu njenga ngibekuse nje nawuhamba endleleni bese uvumbukelwa tinja kufuna kuyadzinga lokuthi lesi sikhathi uhle uguquka utibuka letinja utiphunga letinye utishaye letinye utufaka umzaca letinye utufake uchaye ngembakatha ngelitshe letinye utiyekele nje tikhonkoze depending on the kind of a dog that is barking. Ngiyethemba kevakala. So the main problem le derailer noma le delayer this thing are these people who are jealous. Most of these people, they are in church. Bona baqama ukuthi lapha myself I'm creating my name. I'm not creating any name. I'm not looking for any reward. My reward is in heaven. Anything that is earthly, it's a bonus to me. Ngiyethemba kevakala. Ngisebenzela izulu. So ngila ma visions lehlukene bona babuke indoda semhlabeni bathi nababuka bathi isho prophet wandile utawugqama prophet wandile disi inkosi dathi babuka into leti earthly kanti mina angikho lapho ngiko ke ngikolo lokwende ukuthi bathaye kungidirela esikhisi ke bahlali ngikolo lokutawenda ukuthi sonke isikhathi kufanele ngihle ngiba nesikhathi esiningi ngichitha isikhathi ngibhula nathi tinja because noma ungathi uyadiyekela letinye tithi angiluma ufuna ukuthi icaphele tinja akusisho tonke lefuna ukuthi ignore but akusisho tonke futhi at the same time lokufuna ukuthi ishaye kufuna udadishe lehlobo lwenja ukuthi yinjamuni lena kuyavakala. Sengushito ke lokho bese sengithi but ngibonga ukuthi noma kunjalo kunemaswati lemile emela liqiniso. Ngifuna ningivumele bazolala ngithi umsindo weSwatini ungalungiseka because in the ngawuthini emehlweni aSimakade uma nginibeka escaleni saSimakade niyafanana. Sikhuluma ngesive semaswati ngisebenzise lesi pro democracy ngibese ngisebenzisa nahulumende nengwenyama lesi neutral ngicela ukusibeka eceleni ngicela kusenza laba lababili kude lapha emkhathini wenu lomsulwa kunalomunye umuntu lisayidi le ngicela ukucala ngelisayidi ema pro democrats ema pro democrats nawo kunyeni lokungcono lebe kumele bakwende manyeni ama decisions la kahle lebe kumele bawende to avoid any physical confrontation. Kunyeni lobe kungcono lebe kungendiwa lebe kungenda lesimo singafiki kuloko lesagcina sifike khona kuyavakala but nabo they failed to do that thing at the same time using violence and force kumuntu nalomuntu loyo kuyamenda ukuthi naye abese uba hostile angabe asakulalela ukuthi uthini naye afune kuba ngumuntu lo violent. Ngiyethemba kuyevakala ngileso ke simo lesendeka lapho kule dinkinga leti. So bulukhuni bube lapho lokuthi everything ibe labantu babe hostile. Let me put it like this. Lesive sisuke saba violent wenda ukuthi nalo hulumende bese soba hostile. Ngiyathemba kuyavakala. So naloko ke liphutha leyo manyendi lama wrong decision lathathekile manyendi nalama miscalculations lendekile kuloko. Ngikuvetelani lokho ngikuvetela ukuthi ku better to admit these things so that we can look a way forward but as long as people deny ukuthi they have committed anything that is wrong kutawenda lokuthi singafiki ku resolution but uma abantu accepta bawabona lamaphutha we will reach a resolution kuyavakala. Bese sengiyabuya ke ngithi kulehlango sikahulumende kunyendi nakhona lokonakele lokunye kwaletinto ngeke ngikuchaze konke lokunye kwaletinto kube sekuthenini sithi lesive kanti sesivukile siyakhala uhulumende ahluleke ukuqhamuka nestrategy lesi simple strategy lesetshenziswa bafati emakhaya each and every day umntwana nakakhala nje acala ngwa first thing lo yendako ungakasibuki naloko ukuthi ukhalelani sekwendekeni ulunye lizeze or kwendekeni first thing umfaka inqenqe lamlonyeni ufake lenqenqe lamlonyeni imani izifunele kumhisha ube umphuphutha lamakhaleni khona ngande uhisheka ngiyethemba kevakala ube umnambithisa lenene abathi uyakhala udamba sakanambisa lena nje bese seliyehla naleli phukuphuku lekhala wathi emva kwaloko ke soyakhona ke lokumbuka ukuthi mntwana nzini udliwa yini ukhalelani ngiyethemba awuqali awuveli nje usuke umthulise lo mntwana or umdzabule ngempama ukuthi ukhalelani awumthulisi kanjalo umntwana ngiyathemba ke ekhaya umhloma inqenqe emlonyeni kude umntwana sathane kuphela longakhala nenqenqe emlonyeni umntwana sibila akakhali nenqenqe emlonyeni noma ngabe kunento lemswibiye kangakanani wamhloma inqenqe emlonyeni utawumane aphefumulele lati kwaye ubone ukuthi lesifuthe sekukhala besisinyeni kodwa ubone ukuthi le moto iya ngekubamba emabhiliki iyasima iyema ngiyathemba ke vaka because inqenqe ifike ibe shock absorber iabsorbe loluphukuphuku lelaka ilwehlise akakhala umntwana nenqenqe emlonyeni so that's the most simple strategy lesisebenza each and every day kude umuntu lo existako lo ngakendluli kule stage strategy ngishona lo ngayimunyanga inqenqe wayimunya idemo mangaba umunye inqenqe nangabe nje umbani uyakhala uyakhala ubuye idemo masinyane afakwe lamlonyeni bekaphuphuthwa lamakhala khona anganohishwa kuyavakala ngiyadada lento lethi thile sibakhulisile abantwana siyakwati ukukhulisa umntwana ukuthi into enjani sikhulise nema siblings ethu siyayathi lento le yinto yokuqala lecedza ukukhala kumuntu akusiko kumshaya akusiko kumthulisa noma ungamsabisa laba abantwana bakhala baze baqhwishe babhilite so kumsabisa noma kumbhansuta ngempama akumthulisi kumkhalisa more kuyavakala nekumshushutela akumthulisi umntwana nekumbita ngesibongo noma uyamshushutela noma uyamsabisa akumthulisi into lemthulisa kumntwana kumhloma inqenqe noma umhloma idemu lamlonyeni uthlu ledemu lamlonyeni abe iziphukuhle iphume lapha abakhala utawukhala kabili kathathu ibhubhudlela khala ikhala lamlonyeni kuya kanye inambisa sigcino liyehla leliphuphu so yabuka ukuthi mntwana ukhalela lapho ke soyamshushutela nekumshushutela thula dlamini wenene thula kwala thula mlangeni lomuhle wena wasidwaba selithulu wena lwacedza libombo ngekuhlehletela uyabona mos lo mfana uyangekulalela lento le utakuva sekukhala lapha utakwazi sekuyacala kuyakunwaya lo mfana sekuyakunwaya yini sekujabulile selehlile leliphukuphuku kepha wasuka nje lo mfana lo ukhalela futhi thula ukhalela ukhala qaqambe ke umfana wamenda njalo. That's the greatest mistake la ngayendanga uhulumende kwakufanele uhulumende afune ukuthi okay nanga emaSwati ayakhala awahlome liphalishe emlonyeni kuyavakala awahlome inqenqe emlonyeni ngubani umuntu wakwambona akhala nekudla emlonyeni akukhalwa nekudla emlonyeni that is why kuthiwa awukhulumi ngisho nekudla emlonyeni nawudla uyathula unake lokudla awukhulumi nekukhuluma kuyavakala kwakufanele uhulumende ashutheke kudla lamlonyeni nalamaswati akhalako nakathi akhandla lamaswati yena ashutheke kudla nje ashutheke kudla lamlonyeni lamaswati afukuthe adle afukuthe kude umuntu lonelilungelo lekukhala nekudla emlonyeni akukhalwa nekudla emlonyeni ngiyethemba kuyavakala utawukhala uthini ngoba phela uyadla lokho nje kukodwana bekutayisolve le problem ngiyathemba kuyavakala bekutawuqedza lo msindo lo kufaka kudla emlonyeni bantu bangakhali bantu uthuli hayi kumbambadzela umuntu noma ungamshushutela noma ungamsabisa listen sithi siSwati a hungry man is an angry man indvodza lelambile ngilekwatile ngingathi ungibona ngilambile ngikwatile uma ngilambile ngikwatile uyangibona ngikwatile wena utongisabisa ngekungithulisa ngidawuthula ngithini angithi vele sengifikela phela kulambe bekunene. Let me put it like this, uyathi ukuthi kulamba mina ngiyakwathi kulamba nje kuyaprovoke tifo letinyeni ugcine sewugula nje sekubhlungu nje tinyawo sekubhlungu nje tinwele sekubhlungu anywhere because of indlala. Uma ulambile uyahlanya. Mina ngiyakwati ukuthi ngike ngiphantshelwe imoto kalashameshame kube bede nalokudla imali khona kude lo takudla uzofise kushwabdzela le mali udle yona ngenxa yani yendlala uve ukuthi uyathi le ndlela lesengilambile so uqhansukela litshe so ungqunza nale moto ngenqindi so ukhahlela nje yonke into leqhamukako lapha nemoya nje lohushako ngathi ngasushaya nalomoya so uhushela indlala leyo. So into ke lecedza indlala ufaka kudla emlonyeni. Hulumende ke angakubamba lokho ingwenyama yethu na ingakwati lokho ukuthi umuntu akathuliswa ngekumshaya umuntu okhalako loqaqambako futhi nasombaso lo muntu soyaqaqamba lo muntu loyo umthulisa ngekuhlohlela kudla lamlonyeni ube uphuphutha lamakhala ube athi nakasadla nambitha lokudla bese uyamshoshotela ke lapho soyambongelela umbita ngesibongo sakhe thula dlamini yekunene thula kwala thula la ngenlelihle wena wasidwaba silithulu wena lwaqedza libombo ngekuhlohletela uyakubona uthi amalo msayaqasha yakunaya nayo siyakunaya nayo so ukhalela phasi uye lokukhala agcine sekungumusic ngiyathemba kuyavakala nako ke libe kufanele kwendeke but ke it's not late namanje kungasendeka lento yokuqela ngilothi emaSwatini emaSwati lamahle admithani ukuthi nani kukhona ama mistake lana wenda. That's number 1. Nithi ninga admitha bese seniyehla nithi asesitehlise kude umsindo lonqotshwa lo ungawunqoba ungakade ehlisa emaveli amakhulu anetibhama anetikhalika konke but aya kulwa akuthatha njengento yekugqina namanje nje sababona abo Russia nabo America. Russia Putin was speaking this morning around 1 ekuseni this morning was Putin Vladimir Putin atshela Macron wase Germany wathi this war in actual fact it's Russia versus Europe and America, and he told them straight what there is no winner, no one will win because us as Russia we are a world superpower, we are nuclear capable, no one will win. What does that mean? It means it's a dead end. Therefore, avoid a dead end because good win. No one is going to go home happy. It's Russia versus Europe and America. He say good. We will. He say don't undermine us, our weaponry. We are equally matched. We are a superpower. One country versus the whole world, in actual fact, is one country, Russia, versus Europe and America. He's saying no one will win. We will all lose. So, it's better to put away the fight. Let those people be our heroes. Through Nine, we achieved this. Don't destroy everything. Because nanqhubeka nilo utawugcina sofika la khona songasazuzi lutho. Ngeke ngakhuluma ngathi kulwa kuhle ngalokwekuthi kwenda lokuthi kusetheke ama boundaries nalomunye salamhlonipha lomunye ningaze nilwe senibabangani sibili. I-message seyifakele seyifikile kuhulumende, i-message ifikile enkosini, seyayathi i-message emaSwati. Nani maSwati niyayathi i-message yahulumende, senimbone uhulumende ukuthi ukanjani. Saleke manje kumiwa kuthiwa nsi. I wish this platform whereby I can bring all of you and stand as a Rafela and say ingwenyama nawe nebeluleki bakho, this one is wrong, this one is correct, this one is wrong, this one is correct. Therefore let's combine the corrects and leave the wrong, and then we move forward in life. As simple as that. Akudzingi invention la, akudzingi ne miracle la. Ngethemba kuyavakala lokhu lengikhuluma ngikhuluma live la uNkulunkulu